Okay. Everybody, take your palm. You know where is your heart, right? Heart अपना right side में है कि left side में है? Okay, why are you all on mute? Okay, there you go. Yes, heart right side में है कि left side में है?
On the right, slightly.
Right side, right side.
Right side, right side. Now be quiet. Take deep breaths and put your hand over there and see if you can feel that dhug dhug, dhug dhug, dhug dhug. Can you feel it? सुभान feel नहीं हो रहा है क्या?
Subhan, are you dying?
No, I think his heart is on his left side. Oh, sorry, his right side. Ah, you see, he's checking. See, he's checking. ओ भाई साहब कहाँ पे है?
आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा.
आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा. जरा यहाँ पे हिला के देखो, ऐसे ऐसे आवाज आएगा क्या? Just check. Just check, shaking your head. Come on, Subhan. Jokes aside. Put your hand on your chest. Put your hand on the right side. Right hand. Subhan, मैंने ऐसे छाती पे मारने को नहीं बोला. I said place your hand on your chest. Okay? So you can feel your heartbeat. Come on. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am, I can feel it.
Vihan, could you feel it?
Yes, I could.
Ma'am, when I run and come, no, after I run.
Subhan,
when I
can you
come,
feel it yet? Yeah? Do you know what is the job it is doing right now when you can feel that noise?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Blood.
Pumping blood.
All the body parts. Then he's taking the waste blood and purify it and send to all parts of body again.
चलो भाई ये चैप्टर खत्म हो गया. Let's go to the next chapter. What do you say?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Shh, quiet. Okay. So we will just watch a couple of videos now and see how this work actually happens inside your body. It's amazing. Can you imagine? You can't see how that work is happening in your body, but the video will actually show you how this entire thing works. It's going to be really
I've
interesting.
seen that video
Okay.
before. I've seen that video in my old previous book before.
Yeah, cool, good. Let's start. Let's start. Chalo. Looking to share it? Okay. Quiet, everyone. And here we go.
You can feel your heart thudding away every time you put your hand to your chest. But do you have any idea what's really going on in there, or what keeps your heart ticking as it should? Every day, your heart beats about 100,000 times, sending 2,000 gallons of blood surging through your body. Although it's no bigger than your fist, your heart has the mighty job of keeping the blood flowing through 60,000 miles of blood vessels that feed your organs and tissues. Food, water and oxygen are essential for the existence of human life. Blood transports all these substances through various channels called blood vessels. Blood vessels involves arteries, veins, capillaries. To keep the blood flowing throughout our body, we have a pumping system, and the heart is the pump, which is composed of muscle that pumps blood throughout the body, beating approximately 72 times per minute of our lives. The human heart has 4 chambers: the right atrium, the left atrium, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. There are 4 valves in the heart. These valves are tricuspid valve, mitral valve, aortic valve, pulmonic valve. These valves are one-way valves. Now, you have seen the structure of the heart. Let us find out how it works. The blood becomes oxygen-rich by absorbing oxygen in the lungs. The function of the heart starts when oxygenated blood is carried from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart by means of the pulmonary veins. The left atrium relaxes. This blood is pumped into the heart. When the left atrium contracts, the left ventricle relaxes simultaneously. The left atrium pushes the blood into the left ventricle through the one-way valve. When the left ventricle contracts, the blood is pumped into the aorta, which carries oxygenated blood to the different parts of the body, except the lungs. Oxygenated blood reaches the different parts of the body through the blood vessels called the arteries. The arteries gets branched into capillaries, which then reaches to the different organs of the body. The blood then becomes deoxygenated, and the blood capillaries gets mixed and form thicker blood vessels called the veins. The veins carry deoxygenated blood to the heart. The blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood to heart are known as the vena cava. The deoxygenated blood from different parts of body enters the upper right chamber of the heart, which is called the right atrium. The right atrium gets contracted, allowing the blood to flow into the right ventricle, which contracts with the expansion of the right atrium through the one-way valve. The right ventricle then contracts, pushing the blood into the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. The lungs oxygenate the blood by exchanging of gases and flows back into the heart through the pulmonary vein, and starts the circulatory cycle all over again.
Wow. How was that? How was that? Everyone seems to be lost in that there. Huh? Interesting था? कैसे blood कहाँ से किधर को गया and what all it was doing?
That this was enough. This was
Actually, you
enough.
know, learning about your heart and learning about your body organs, you're doing right from the time you're in KG. It's just that her grade mein, your level of learning the details keeps increasing. You've been learning about body organs for a very long time. But now in your this grade, you will learn about the different veins, different arteries that take the blood here and there. You will also learn the different type of blood groups that we have that you wouldn't have learned earlier. So her grade mein, you will keep learning about body parts, body organs. But then the grade at which you're going to learn it will keep increasing. Yes, Ranveer.
And there are many types of blood groups: AB positive, B positive, B negative, O minus, O negative, O positive, and A positive, A negative.
Yeah, there are many. How many total are there? How many in total? Any idea? Who knows how many total
Four.
blood groups are there?
Four.
Four. Only four. A positive, A negative. B positive, B negative. अरे इसी में 4 हो गया. अभी तो A, B, O सब आना बाकी है. 8. Okay, are you sure it is 8?
Yes.
4 2s are 8.
4 2s are 8. ये मुझे भी पता है. What is 4 2s are 8?
मैम 4 ब्लड ग्रुप्स है तो हर में नेगेटिव और
कौन से 4
and
ब्लड ग्रुप्स
minus
हैं? कौन से 4 ब्लड ग्रुप्स हैं बताओ?
A plus
हाँ
AB,
पहले
A
ब्लड
plus
O,
पहले ब्लड ग्रुप बताओ. A B
A B O A B
AB and O.
very good. अब हर एक में पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव भी है. Correct? So that's how you have 8. Okay? So you have A, B, AB and O. Do you want to know in detail इसका मतलब क्या है? ये क्या है अजीब सा नाम? A B के बाद तो C आना चाहिए. फिर ये A B क्या है? फिर ठीक है A B आ गया, उसके बाद भी C नहीं आया, सीधे O में चला गया. ऐसा क्यों? Do you know? कभी सोचा है? नहीं? क्यों नहीं सोचा? Hey, when we were born, ये तो we got it for free, okay? ये इसके अंदर that masala that is there, no? We got this for free. So ये क्यों नहीं सोचा कि A है, B है, AB है, O है? No C, no D, no E, F, G, H, nothing. Straight away O. Why? ऐसा क्यों? आखिर क्यों? Why didn't you all think that? Are you interested in knowing that? Then I will go in detail. If you're not interested in knowing that, then I will not bother. Because it is not a part of your curriculum. But if you are interested in knowing that, then I would like to go further in it. Would you be interested to see that?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 minute. Ranveer is coming back in class. All right. Okay, I have one more video for you which we need to watch. Okay. I think after that I will have one more video after that also. Okay, so let's just do that. Okay. Ready, everybody? One more video. After that also I might have one more because I just want you all to repeatedly see what is being shown. Subhan, फिर तुम टेबल के नीचे. मैं बात यहाँ पे कर रही हूँ, तुम टेक्स्ट बुक क्यों देख रहे हो? इसीलिए you're always confused. I am saying something, then you're trying to look for it somewhere, then you're partly into that, then you're not understanding what I am saying. So basically you're always confused because किसी एक चीज पे ध्यान दो. ऐसा 3-4 चीज एक साथ करोगे ना, you will be confused because you won't be able to keep your focus on what you're doing. Keep your focus. I am talking here, look at me. Did I say read the textbook right now? No, no. So don't do that right now. Chalo, we are going to see one more video, okay? Let's get started. Everybody, quiet. No background noise from your houses. So I'm putting you on mute. Sit up straight and watch. Everyone sit up straight and watch.
The heart pumps blood throughout the body, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell. It's this circulation of blood that is vital to sustaining life. The heart is an organ made up of several tough layers of muscle. The pericardium is the thin layer that covers the exterior, while the endocardium lines the inside walls.
Children, tell me something. How many of you had seen the model of real heart in our school, in our biology lab? You all had seen, na? Vihan, I think you missed it. When these kids were coming to school, no, before they had seen it. We have a real model of heart in our school. Okay. So what we do with that, you can separate each part of it. Okay. You see each of these parts here. In that real model of heart that we have in the school, no, we can open up every part of the heart and then you can put it back properly. But how will you put it back? You will be able to put it back only if you know what is the shape of your heart. Okay. So that heart shape, you should be able to remove completely and be able to put it back completely. That is the biology practicals test that we will have. Cool, no? That was the plan, but let's see how it pans out this year. Anyways, yes, what is it?
But we will come to our school at this Saturday and Sunday and show this heart.
You want to see it on this Saturday? Okay, we'll do that. Okay, fine. ठीक है, ठीक है. We'll see if we can do that. Just 3-4 people, manageable. Whole class will come, that
Yes.
will be gadbad. Okay, but you all have to promise one thing. If you're going to come to school, you'll keep your distance. You're not coming there to
Yeah.
run and play. Okay, you will be given your
Yes.
chairs. You will be sitting only at those distance. No touching and hugging and or doing all that with each other. You all know the rules, right? You all know
Yes.
the rules, right? Yeah. So we have to follow those rules. If you want to come and see that part, it is very interesting. That entire real model of heart. No, it's very interesting. You can remove it and then you can assemble it again. Similarly, we have such real life models for the ear. Then we have it for the heart. We have it for the brain.
Kidney also, ma'am. I have seen kidney.
Kidney, yeah. But kidney was removable or what? No. Kidney ka removable nahi tha. Kidney had a front portion and a back portion. Similarly, stomach also, uska har ek portion alag-alag dikh raha tha. But there are only 3-4 models which you can unassemble and reassemble, which is the ear, eyes, heart, and brain. These are the 4 models that you can unassemble and reassemble. So now that we are studying about heart, study it well. So when you come to school, you will know how to unassemble and reassemble it. Chalo, we'll talk about all that later.
The heart is divided into 4 chambers, 2 upper and 2 lower. The upper chambers, known as the atrium, receive blood coming into the heart. The lower chambers are the ventricles that pump blood out. Between each chamber are valves that open and close and help keep the blood moving. They are tricuspid, mitral, pulmonary, and aortic valves. A pumping cycle starts when oxygen-depleted blood returns to the heart after circulating throughout the body. The blood enters through the right atrium before flowing to the right ventricle. It's then pumped to the lungs via the pulmonary arteries. There, blood is rejuvenated by air that's breathed in. The oxygen-rich blood returns to the heart through the left atrium, where it goes to the left ventricle. Then, by way of the aorta artery, the fresh blood is pumped throughout the body before the process repeats itself. That process happens with every heartbeat,
Oops.
and it's
See that?
relentless.
See that? Wow.
The heart beats 100,000 times a day, 40 million times a year, and up to 3 billion times over an average lifespan. But there are conditions that can disrupt a heartbeat and that normality. They can range from myocardial infarction or a heart attack to heart disease and hypertension. In contrast, exercise and emotional excitement can also have an impact on a person's heartbeat. The various blood vessels that comprise the circulatory system are a network of veins, arteries, and capillaries that span over 60,000 miles throughout the body, and the heart is the pump at the center of it.
Nice. Good one.
Ma'am,
1 minute. 1 minute.
Can
Wait.
see
1
the-
minute. Wait. 1 minute. Wait. Yes, Subhan. Bolo. Bolo.
ma'am,
Now
I
you
have
can.
a fact of heart. Heartbeat. Heart.
What?
You know, if you
Subhan,
die,
Subhan, 1 minute.
if-
Subhan, 1 minute. Please repeat what you said.
ma'am, I have to say something about heart.
Bolo.
If you die, your heart is alive for 2 hours.
Once you die,
If
your
you
heart
die
is alive
also-
for 2
But
hours.
your heart,
Who said that?
yes.
Whoever said that to you,
Yes,
that your
it's
heart is
real.
alive for 2 hours after you die?
To be
Yes.
not like that.
I have
Once you die, your heart stops beating.
This is interesting. Each of you
No.
have a different way of doing these things. Ye kaise? Huh? हर किसी के पास अलग अलग
अगर
इंफॉर्मेशन है।
आपका-
भाई हार्ट तो सेम ही है, हर किसी के पास अलग अलग इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे?
मैम, अगर आपको हार्ट पे छोड़ के किधर भी गोली लगी तो ही आपका हार्ट 2 आवर्स तक जिंदा रहता है। और
अच्छा
गोली लगी तब ना।
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है।
अरे,
I will clarify. Listen. I will clarify that for you. Do you need to do this, Ranveer? I don't know why you're doing this. Okay, I will clarify that for you. Okay, we will just watch this one more video. Okay, and then we will go on to the next topic. I will clarify your doubt about कितनी देर तक heart जिंदा रहता है. We'll see that. But let's watch this video for now. Everybody, quiet. Let's pay attention to the video.
Your heart is a pump. It's a muscular organ about the size of your fist and is located slightly left of center in your chest. Your heart is divided into the right and left side. The division protects oxygen-rich blood from mixing with oxygen-poor blood. Together, your heart and blood vessels comprise your cardiovascular system, which circulates blood and oxygen around your body. In fact, your heart pumps about 5 quarts of blood every minute, and it beats about 100,000 times in one day. That's about 35 million times in a year. Oxygen-poor blood, blue blood, returns to the heart after circulating through your body. The right side of the heart, composed of the right atrium and ventricle, collects and pumps the blood to the lungs through the pulmonary arteries. The lungs refresh the blood with a new supply of oxygen, making it turn red. Oxygen-rich blood, red blood, then enters the left side of the heart, composed of the left atrium and ventricle, and is pumped through the aorta to the body to supply tissues with oxygen. 4 valves within your heart keep your blood moving the right way. The tricuspid, mitral, pulmonary, and aortic valves work like gates on a fence. They open only one way and only when pushed on. Each valve opens and closes once per heartbeat, or about once every second. A beating heart contracts and relaxes. Contraction is called systole, and relaxing is called diastole. During systole, your ventricles contract, forcing blood into the vessels going to your lungs and body, much like ketchup being forced out of a squeeze bottle. The right ventricle contracts a little bit before the left ventricle does. Your ventricles then relax during diastole and are filled with blood coming from the upper chambers, the left and right atria. Then the cycle starts over again. Your heart is nourished by blood too. Blood vessels called coronary arteries extend over the surface of your heart and branch into smaller capillaries. Here you can see just the network of blood vessels that feed your heart with oxygen-rich blood. Your heart also has electrical wiring, which keeps it beating. Electrical impulses begin high in the right atrium and travel through specialized pathways to the ventricles, delivering the signal to pump. The conduction system keeps your heart beating in a coordinated and normal rhythm, which in turn keeps blood circulating. The continuous exchange of oxygen-rich blood with oxygen-poor blood is what keeps you alive. Your heart is a pump.
Good. Was it informative? Yeah. So today we saw at least 3 videos about heart. Okay. Today we watched 3 videos about heart. Now what I want you all to do is, in your biology book, page 61, 62, 63, I want you all to do self-reading. Okay. In biology, I want you to do self-reading of page 61, 62, and 63. All right. This is your biology homework for today. Going forward, children, every week, what you must do is check your timetable, what it is the next day. And on the previous evening, please sit and revise whatever is to be done for that particular topic for that day. Okay. Can you all do that? क्या करो कि आज बैठो शाम में, कल क्या टाइम टेबल है, टेक आउट योर टाइम टेबल एंड चेक इट अप. सुबान,
Yes.
what are you checking on the side again when I'm talking to you?
Marking the homework.
Why? We send it to you all, no, every day. Why do you have to mark it when I'm talking something important? Sit today after your class and check your timetable for tomorrow. Based on whatever was given as homework for the next timetable, complete that. So when you come to each of your class, you're going to be fully prepared. Understand? Are you able to understand what
Yes.
I'm saying? Okay. So your homework in biology for today is self-learning. We've seen 3 videos. It exactly showed what is in the textbook in these 2 pages. Okay. Please read it on your own and we will discuss this in our next biology class. All right. Page 61, 62 and 63. Got it? Now, there is one activity which is mentioned over here. If we were in our physical school, we would have done it together. Okay. But since we cannot touch and feel these things with each other, sorry kids. Sorry, it was my turn to go out of network. So I think that just happened. Anyways, so.
Man, I got it.
Can you all do it if we do this together over here? Want to try it?
Yes,
Okay.
I got it.
So see the first activity, what it says.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Relax your body. Follow the steps for measuring your pulse. Take these 2 fingers, your index finger and your middle finger of your right hand. Subhan.
Okay.
Take these 2 fingers, index finger and middle finger of your right hand. Okay.
My pulse is over here. Over here.
You see your left hand, this portion? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Just place your hand like this and see if you can feel the pulse. If you cannot feel it, move it around a bit. Okay? थोड़ा यहीं आगे पीछे कहीं पे you will feel the pulse. What is pulse? Who can tell me what is pulse? Pulse rate क्या होता है? कौन बता?
Ma'am, your heart beating rate.
सुभान मिला क्या पल्स? सुभान को हार्ट ही मिलने में इतना टाइम लग रहा था, कंफ्यूजन था कि राइट में है कि लेफ्ट में है. थोड़ा पल्स ढूंढो, सर्च.
Ma'am, there's no pulse on the right hand.
Children, calm down and focus. You will be able to catch it. Okay?
Pulse in right hand also.
Array, it will be in both your hands.
I got it in both my hands.
मैम बहुत सारे मिले.
बहुत सारे मिले मतलब
बहुत
क्या? हम
सारे
पेड़
मिले.
पौधा ढूंढ रहे थे जो बहुत सारे मिले. ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं. Okay? Now listen to me. Now that you found your pulse, see if you can count it. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Are you able to count it? Okay? Just see if you can count it. All right? Now, later in your house, sit with your parents and I'm sure they'll be able to show you exactly how to check it up on your watch. All of you have a watch? तुम लोग सब watch पहनते हो? हाँ? तुम सबके पास watch है? तो all of you must check कि 1 minute में कितने seconds होते हैं? 60. Thank you. तो 60 seconds में तुम्हारा ये pulse कितनी बार count आता है? Can you all do that and send that to me today by evening 4 o'clock? Okay?
Yes.
Sit with your parents, wear your watch and ask them, how should I measure this? They'll exactly be able to tell you. Watch देखते हुए कैसे इस pulse को measure करते हैं. You keep your hand like this. You wear your watch. Okay? Hold and keep looking at the clock. Look at the seconds hand. start it at one point and finish it at the same point. All right. So in 1 minute, how many times are you getting this pulse count? You have to keep counting. Okay. Do that and send it to me by 4 o'clock. Yes, Ranveer?
Ma'am, like if the second hand is on 12, you start counting from there and it will come back till 12.
And wait for it to come back to 12. Okay. So this is your homework for today. This activity. Apart from reading 61, 62, 63 pages, you have to do this activity number 1 also. And also activity number 2. Activity number 2, you need to do it in the house because there are a lot of things that you have to do and then check. Look at activity number 2. It says test your heartbeat with the help of a stethoscope. I'm not sure how many of you have a stethoscope, but even if you keep your hand on your chest, you'll be able to hear the counting. सुभान, तुमको सुनाई दे रहा है मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? तो ये क्या है? What are you making faces? Subhan, you're not able to focus because of these things. Don't do that, honey. Not good for you. Sit straight. Okay. This activity, this one, do it in the house in the evening. When you go for a run or you go for a jog or you exercise, then you have to fill this up. Isko fill karo. Ranveer, wait. Isko fill karo and send me a picture of it by 8 o'clock in the night. Isko fill karo and send me a picture of it by 8 in the night. Okay? Chalo, take a break for 2 minutes and come back. Yes, Ranveer?
I counted by the clock. I have a clock over here. I counted my first. I got 68.
Okay, let's see what it should be correctly. But send your recordings. Chalo. Bye. Take a 2 minutes break and come back.